Hey, I'm Kapse Yashvardhan Sandeep from Computer Second Year B Division. In this video, I will show the program and the execution of code. I have chosen helicopter animation. I have done it in the Dev CPP IDE. This project is guided under Miss Prajakta, ma'am. Ma'am, with your approval, I will start the execution. Now, C++ language has numerous libraries that includes predefined functions to make the programming easier. Header files contains the set of predefined standard library functions. Now, coming down, a void function cannot return like any values, but we can use the return statement. It indicates that the function is terminated. It increases the readability of a code more efficiently. We have created function for now. See this. We have created the functions for later, go, close, and helicopter. Now going deep, we see in void later function. In this snippet, we took for loop. Here, see here, we took for loop, and then by using the set text style, we set the style for text. And I have set over here in for loop, I have set an integer value as I equal to 0, I less than 50, I incremented, and in set text style, I have set the font size and the font for text. And when we execute our program, this will be the first thing we will see when a program executes. Animation is going to begin soon. And then below, once we go down, we have set the by using the set color function, we have set the color red, and we have used the delay function. Now what does delay function does is this function is now delay function is used to hold the program execution for a given number of milliseconds, whatever give. Now for this stage I have given 30 here, and then we use the clear device function, which will clean or means like clear the screen for our next input to display. And then these two snippets and then these two snippets of loop does the same work as mentioned above. It's same, nothing is different. It just when we execute a program, it will be shown like for the animation like 3 2 1, and that's it. Then going below again, now here begins the animation for background. This will be the still background. It will not do anything, but it will be the something very important for program. Now this line function will give us the road, and this rectangle and line function will help us give us the garage, and for mountain line arc, and this line functions will help us make it for us. And then below this there is a function that will help us make a scenery of a sun for us. And then coming down, this will be the speed for the, I guess, helicopter. Int equal to b. We have set the value for 0 for the initial stage. This isn't the action. The action will begin in the another snippet. Now this line functions will give us those fan for the helicopters. Some will be upper, back, incline, horizontal, depending on how we set them. Now I have given a respective value to them depending on how we are going to use them. Now by using this rectangles here, okay, the rectangle function here, we have created door, and same for the keyhole, we have used circle function, midline function for the other stubs, and that's how we have created the below snippets. Now for the leg of the helicopter, we have used this snippet, and it's same, just the marginal difference is that we have used different values that will conclude in our program. Then I have given a white color to this snippet, sorry, to this helicopter, by using the function called set color. And then again we have using the delay function, which will delay by 30 milliseconds each time a helicopter moves. And clear device will be for again cleaning the screen for the next execution. And then coming down, we we will use wide helicopter function here now, and then this will use for loop and set the I. Now I have set the I as 0. Just a second. Okay. Now we will use the while helicopter function, and this we will use for loop, and the I value will be set as I equal to 0, I less than equal to 350, I increment it, and then I will set integer b equals to I and integer c equals to I into 2. Now it will move twice faster than the y-axis as mentioned in the comments. I have the comments are already given for the easier explanation of this code. And here's how a helicopter will get life. Again, this is a design for the momentum of a helicopter, and and once we come down, we set background image and road and sun. Now this code is all for the momentum, giving a helicopter life. It's just that we have used an if statement, so once the one virtuous of the code is executed, it will clean the screen and it will give us another snippet. This is all for the background images that we will see in a program later when we execute them. It will be for road, garage, mountain, sun, and again delay. Its function is very important because this is a animation code, and once we use delay function, it will give a slow movement for helicopter to move from one position to another, and clear device will help us clean the back end of the code like previous snippet. Okay, let's go down again. Now we have used the white close function. In this I have done, once our program is done, it will give us a message thank you, and then coming down here, and lastly the main function from where the program will start to execute everything written inside this braces. Just a second. Okay, everything written under this will be executed first. As we know, the program starts from the main function, later function. Now the first execution will be of later function, then followed by go, helicopter, close, and that's it. The get ch will end our program. Just like that, our first animation text will be visible, and time just okay. Let me execute the program, compile and run. Okay, so the program will start executing. Just like I have told in our snippets that the first will be the text. The animation is going to begin in 3, 2, 1, just between the three for loops, and from here the code will starts helicopter, the delay function of 30 milliseconds, and once it passes the window we will get our last message that we didn't close, that is thank you, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you.